This is one of the methods that can help you earn relatively more than your competitors. Choosing colors in user interface design is very important because each color conveys a specific feeling and purpose to our audience. Colors can enhance your brand's personality, attract the audience, and amplify the impact of your brand identity message. For example, the color red represents passion and excitement, just like on websites such as Netflix, YouTube, and indeed most other sites whose main role is to truly energize and inspire enthusiasm. Orange is the very most attractive and quite popular color. As you can see here, I've shown you a website, and at first glance you were immediately drawn to it, even without knowing what this website is about. And if I put a few other websites next to it, your eyes will definitely be drawn to this one first. If we want to design a brand or a website that conveys happiness, where most of the customers are cheerful and happy people, the best color for this type of visual identity is yellow. As you know, Amazon uses the color yellow because their audience always needs to feel energetic and happy in order to buy from them. Blue is the color of trust and security. If you've carefully noticed, almost all exchange and money transfer websites and apps predominantly use the color blue. Why do they do this? Because they subconsciously aim to gain the customer's trust and confidence. The most calming and soothing color, however, is green, which we've seen utilized in many diverse examples and applications. For instance, in the Spotify music player or at Starbucks, both of which have a calming brand identity. I want to give you a general explanation about white and black. These two colors symbolize simplicity and are often associated with great popularity. For example, if you carefully examine Apple's official website, the Apple brand consistently changes its website design to either a pristine white or, alternatively, utilizes a sophisticated black, effectively conveying a profound sense of purity and inherent innocence. If you can truly utilize colors optimally and correctly within your various projects and creative designs, it will not only significantly increase your overall income, but also substantially improve your valuable user experience. On my YouTube channel, I teach you how to design a professional and intuitive user interface for yourself for all skill levels, and sometimes I occasionally also upload comprehensive educational and informative videos about the fascinating world of website design.